Your preparation is not well and you are sitting in your test, then what we need to do in order to get our desired score? Let's get started. In case of reading, you just need to do one thing. 80 to 90% times the first passage is easy, second is moderate, and the last one is tough. However, sometimes it happens that the first passage is tough or moderate, and here you have to find the easy passage first. Whenever you are attempting your reading, this is the first thing you should spend at least 1 to 2 minutes just to find the easy passage first so that you can do that. Why I am saying this again and again? Because easy passage will give you boost. You will be taking the lead. If you are attempting any difficult passage, it will take 22 to 23 or 25 minutes. However, in case of easy one, you can just finish it in 15 to 17 minutes or even 18 minutes. In the remaining 2 minutes, you will be thinking, yeah, I have done a lot. I'm quite advanced, and that type of confidence is needed when you're attempting your reading. How can we find the easy passage? We have two methods. Either you can just read the question type. For example, my favorite are true, false, not given, and list of heading. Wherever I am finding these types, I will solve that passage at first place. मुझे ये क्वेश्चन टाइप इजी लग रहा है ये सेकंड पैसेज में, तो मैं सेकंड पैसेज सबसे पहले करूंगा. और you can just make a guess by reading the names of the passages. I really hate passages related to science, advancement and history. I'm not gonna do that at first place. Never ever. So if there is any passage related to story or it seems little bit easy, like a kind of daily life, that is the passage that you need to do in the beginning. वही सबसे easy passage है, वही आप starting में करो. भाई कसम से बोल रहा हूँ, इतना easy लगेगा ना आपको. अगर आप easy passage find out करोगे, आपको lead मिलेगी, आपको boost मिलेगा. भाई 15 से 17 मिनट में first passage complete करोगे, उसके बाद बाकी के करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्फिडेंस विल बी बूस्टेड एंड सेकंड थिंग इज पता लग जाएगा कि भाई हाँ मतलब नॉर्मल स्टार्ट हुआ है, बढ़िया स्टार्ट हुआ है, एंड भी बढ़िया ही होगा, अंदर से मन खिल उठेगा. एज फार एज राइटिंग इज कंसर्न्ड, हियर आल्सो यू हैव टू डू टू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट, रीड द स्टेटमेंट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 times so that you can understand, you can comprehend it well. Then in the margin area, just write down the ideas. Just take 5 minutes. This is called pre-planning, pre-writing actually. Just do the brainstorming, just write down the ideas in the margin so that you do not need to think about these ideas again and again. You can just work on your writing part. आप ताकि एक बार आइडियाज वगैरह लिख लो, उसके बाद आपने जस्ट और जस्ट लिखना ही है उनको, उसके बाद टास्क एक्सप्लेन करना ही है. ऐसे नहीं कि पहले आप एक पॉइंट आप सोचो फिर वो लिखो, फिर दूसरा पॉइंट सोचो वो लिखो. इट विल लीड टू ऑफ टॉपिक. अपार्ट फ्रॉम राइटिंग द आइडियाज, you just need to write this thing, a new dingo. I have already explained this in the previous video. It means although, neither, nor, either, or, whether, or, despite, in spite of, not only but also, gerund and unless. These are some amazing structures that I always teach in the class. You should also write these in the margin so that later on you can use these. Actually these are band booster. And in the post writing means writing के बाद आपको क्या करना है? Just one thing, that is proofreading. Proofreading is must. Sometimes we do unintentional mistakes. That is just because we are not doing any proofreading, so make sure to do that. Then comes our last module, that is listening. There is just one shortcut. Whenever you are getting any time in between the sections, just try to read as many questions as you can. If you have completed the first section and you have enough time to read the questions of second section, please do it. चाहे वो बोले कि भाई 6 रीड करो अगले, है ना, पहले 6 की रिकॉर्डिंग आएगी, अब सारे के सारे देखो. With this what happens, you will not get enough time in the third and fourth sections. These will be a little bit faster. Listening is actually a trap. In the first 2 sections we are not expecting anything faster. Speed is really normal, it is not that much fast. But in the third and fourth sections, what happens is the speed escalates. It actually skyrockets. So yeah, that's why you will not get any time in the last 2 sections. Make sure कि आप अपने जो first 2 sections में time मिलता है उसमें भी try करो, जितने ज़्यादा questions हो सकते हैं read करो. And ये चीज़ समझो कि उन्होंने क्या पूछना है. यहाँ पे कोई डॉलर आएगा, यहाँ पे कोई प्राइस आएगा, यहाँ पे कोई डे आएगा, यहाँ पे कोई मंथ आएगा. We can easily guess these things. So if you're having your test, make sure to give your 100%. All the best, and thank you so much for watching.